Hello friends, today I have a very important question for you. Why is there no heart cancer? You have heard of breast cancer, lung cancer, even colon cancer, but there is no heart cancer. Have you ever heard that a person has died of heart cancer? No. So why is that? So to understand that, we have to understand a very important mechanism of our bodies. And when we understand that, we will also be able to know how to protect yourself from cancer. So let's begin. So you know that there are blood vessels in your body, and there are so many blood vessels in your body that if you put them together, if you join them, they will cover almost 1 lakh kilometers. Yes, that is surprising. So these blood vessels provide food and oxygen to various cells of the body. And when these vessels are blocked, they are not able to provide food, nutrition, and oxygen to various cells of your body. And those cells begin to die. In 80% cases, the cells die because they don't have food for their survival. But in 20% cases, human body reacts differently. These cells decide that we are not going to die. They decide to survive. And how? They decide to steal food from nearby cells, and that process is called angiogenesis. And whenever a person steals, the person does not steal what he requires. He always steals whatever is available there to steal. For example, a university student needs to pay his tuition fee, but he does not have money, and he decides to rob a bank. And when he goes there, he does not steal only his tuition money. He steals all that money which is available for stealing. So similarly with these cells, when they steal food from nearby cells, they steal food more than is required for their survival. And as a result, they start growing abnormally. And the space falls short for them. They need more space now. And they decide to migrate to other organs of your body. And now another important mechanism comes into play, which is called immunoediting. For example, I'll take an example to explain this mechanism. A stranger knocks on your door and calls himself your mother's friend, and he wants to spend a night in your house. But you are not sure whether he's your mother's friend or not, as you have never met that stranger. So you decide to invite that stranger into your house, you make him sit, and you go into the other room and call your mother. But you are not able to connect to her. Now, in that indecisiveness, you allow that stranger to spend a night in your house. But the next morning, when you wake up, all the valuables are gone from your house. That stranger was not your mother's friend, but a thief. So similarly, when these tumor cells want to migrate to other organs of your body, when this immunoediting is switched off in your body, the organs are not able to communicate with each other, and the other organs allow those tumor cells to migrate. And when that migration happens, that is cancer. That is growth of tumor. And the process of angiogenesis, as I told you earlier about in this video, that takes around 2 to 3 days. Your heart cells cannot survive even a single moment without food. So how can they survive for 2 to 3 days without food? They starve and they die. And when they die, you get a heart attack. So there is no process of angiogenesis for heart cells because they are continuously working, and for their working they need continuous supply of food, they need continuous supply of nutrition. So when they don't get it, they die, and therefore there is no heart cancer. So the conclusion is that for all the major diseases in your body, the reason is blockage of blood vessels. So if you can take care of that, if you can avoid that, or if you can cure that, you will get rid of almost all the diseases from your body. And if you want to avoid blockage or you want to cure blockage, you can go and watch this video from our channel, and I hope it helps. And please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Thank you for watching.